What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
DJ.
And today we're on location in beautiful Chautauqua Park. And we're trying the hamburger version of the queso chicken sandwich. So I guess...
I'm excited. The first one was really good.
Yeah, I'm going to just have a little piece here because this is actually DJ's dinner. So I just need a small piece that has actual burger in it.
Couldn't get absolutely no burger. If he got any burger.
I think I did miss the burger. I'm trying to leave you as much as possible.
You can get as much. You can get like a big chunk. I don't care.
Alright, whatever. Alright, I got that. Here's that for you. Alright, cheers.
Cheers. I didn't even get any meat.
Alright. I think I like the chicken one better.
Yeah.
The burger's not bad. Wendy's burgers are alright.
8 out of 10.
I'm giving it another 7 out of 10. The queso's okay, but it's only okay.
I like cheesy stuff.
I go chicken if you're going to get one. Alright, peace.